Meaning of enthralling.
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 Enthralling. Enthralling means captivating or fascinating someone's attention to the point of complete absorption. When something is enthralling, it has the ability to hold a person's interest and engage their imagination, creating an immersive experience that draws them in completely. It can be used to describe a wide range of things, including books, movies, music, art, performances, and even people. Whatever the subject, when it's enthralling, it leaves a lasting impression on the viewer or listener, inspiring them, challenging them, and enriching their lives in some way.